Last week was the first in 7 weeks that you saw the hedge funds and those money managers reduce their bets on bullish commodities here. Most of them saw a decline in the previous week. While the U.S. economy has been improving and you also have seen Greece containing its debt crisis, the concerns really coming in from China this time around, which has cut its growth target. And China also reported a biggest trade deficit in the last 22 years, and that really seems to be weighing onto the commodities. There's FOMC meeting this week and markets would be eyeing that one. And in the meanwhile, you have to watch out for the US dollar index, which is above 80 now, a 3-week high, and that seems to be adding further pressure for commodities. Base metal prices, after declining 3 to 5% in the previous week, have opened on a lower side in the Asian markets today. Ditto is the case with the crude prices as well, which declined 2% in the previous week and have opened 0.5% on the lower side today. The only gainers really in Asia today have been the precious metal prices. You've seen gold prices gain up to above 1710. Remember, we did see lows of 1663 in the previous week. The US jobs data on the positive side has been supportive, but then again, the money managers have cut the gold longs to lowest in last 5 weeks, and that continues to be a concern for that one as well. For today, though, you have the Bank of Japan policy review, the German WPI, and also the US Fed budget for the month of Feb that the markets would be taking cues from.